You know, I'm not really making this video for any particular reason other than the fact that I wanted to show off my Toyota Minnie Winnie. It's a 1992 with about 48,000 miles, and I recently upgraded it to a Pioneer. It's a not an Android Auto deck, but it does have a DVD player and you know, Spotify and Pandora and all that kind of stuff. And it has a backup camera, which is cool. And I think it's necessary if you drive a motorhome, whether it's 20 feet, 25 feet, 30 feet, doesn't matter. It's just nice to know that you've got that peace of mind, and that's technology that they didn't have when they built these motorhomes. So it's a very easy and affordable upgrade. I recommend everybody does it. The reason for this video is I wanted to show off the generator. I've got a Onan Microlight 2800 watt generator, which came with this motorhome, and it's in really good shape. I'm really impressed with how well it works. In fact, you can hear it running right now in the background. I don't know if you can hear the buzz going on, but that's actually the generator running. So I'm going to show you now, and you can hear it. This is actually my mechanic who changes the oil. And he just changed the oil in this generator right now. And as you can see, it's running nice, it's purring. It only takes about 1 quart of oil, actually 1 quart exactly. So it's very easy to change it. I think we're about ready to turn it off. Has it been running long enough, do you think? Okay, let's go ahead and turn it off. Go ahead. So we're manually cutting it there. Look at that thing. It purrs like a kitten, you know. It's like, what is it, like a 28-year-old generator, and you wouldn't know it. You can also, of course, turn it on and off from the switch inside, but this is the lazy way to do it. Or actually, it's the more involved way to do it. But yeah, it's the Onan Microlight 2.8. That's a 2800 generator, and it only takes 1 quart of 10W30 oil, which is, you know, $3 gets you a little oil pan and a cheap funnel. So, all right, there it is.